Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Mark Gorban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
What is liability risk?
The concept of risk is related to the idea of fault or wrongdoings, and risk taken in a different meaning. Fault or wrongdoing refer to non-willful act. The purpose of this act is not to create damage to others, and risk here is associated with entrepreneurship, business opportunity. The purpose of a company is when operating is to make profit. In pursuing this goal, a company has the duty of care, meaning to make sure our activity is conducted in a safe way, and if not jeopardizing others. However, some accident may occur, causing damage to others. In this case, the company has the duty to indemnify, to compensate the party affected. Coming back to these two concepts, there are at least two situations when a company might be held liable of damage to others. First of all, let me define liability and civil liability, the meaning of these two words. Liability, this is the duty to everyone to assume the responsibility of her or his deed and all consequences resulting from this. Civil liability, this is the duty to everyone to indemnify the prejudice caused by to others, and following any occurrence of an event created by this person. Let me take an example. Someone walking on the street hitting by accident another person. If this person is injured, so the person that hit the person injured must pay for medical expenses. So coming back to the two above concepts, there are at least two situations where a company may be liable of damage created to others. The first situation is related to liability associated to operational risk. For instance, if while operating an explosion fire occur, creating damage to others, a company liable of this has the duty to compensate party for the loss they suffer. Second, liability associated to the risk of profit. Manufacturer, traders, distributor, when they are distributing a selling product, they may be liable of damage caused by this product to others, whether they are liable or not of a defect of the product. Here, the liability attached to the potential gain they can make. Therefore, they have the duty to make sure the product is not harmful, will not injure any other party. Up to date, there are few liability insurance mandatory in China: safety food insurance, motor third-party liability, liability insurance for travel agency, safety food, safety production liability. Let me say a few words about expenses paid under liability insurance. First, compensation indemnity due to third parties suffering a loss, and second kind of expenses are legal expenses. Let me explain this with an example. A company trading waterproof coating materials for building houses received many complaints from clients about the quality of our product and the damage created by this product. Actually, in most of the case, was the way application of these coating materials was made. In this case, the key issue for the company is to defend ourselves when receiving complaint, so paying lawyer fees, testing expenses. So this is what we call legal expenses. All kind of expenses to defend himself against any complaints, whether we are liable or not.
What is the most common type of liability risk you face in China? What do you associate this with?
So there are two most common liability risks in China. The first one is risk associated with the employment of person, as in case of labor accident, a company has to indemnify of the medical expenses not refunded by the social security and the loss of income if the person is not cannot work. The second risk is risk associated to manufacturing or trading product exported outside of China, especially in the US or in Europe, as in this country. If someone gets injured after using a product, this person will try to get compensation from the company or the liable of the defect of the product.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.